Hello everybody, and welcome back to How to Build a B-1 Bomber 10 minutes at a time. Alright people, time to get this train moving. We're running out of time. We gotta make it up this last hill. I need y'all to get back there and push. Okay, I'm working on my parting planes now. Got them somewhat figured out. Kind of been pulling my hair out this morning. Ain't got much left to pull back there either. Told that woman I wanted the summer dude. She said, okie doke. And it was gone, man. Nah, I always get my hair cut in the summer. I like that hot stuff. Okay, I'm going to try and get this stuff just as level as I can get back here with my parting plane, this shelf here. Just make things just a little bit easier. Just a freckle more. Oh, that's beautiful. That's beautiful, man. Alright. Squirt some hot glue in there. Let's stick all this together real good. This is just a cardboard tube. I wrapped some metal tape around it. That'll just pretty much just tell me where my shaft's going. A carbon fiber tube. Okay. That's beautiful, man. Alright. Back here. We're good. Yeah, we're good back here. So if you guys ain't been watching, Butch has been jamming away on the wings. We got links to his videos on our website. I think he's been putting them on the replies on mine. But oh yeah, Butch is getting them wings laid up. He thinks this spar is going to fit. Talked to him yesterday. Oh, that's just beautiful. A little bit short over there, but hey, you can go to the scrap wood pile. Oh, that's beautiful right there. Now I think I'm going to do this like I did my wing. I'm going to make this leading edge come off. Just so I can tape it together real good. I'm going to go in there and make me some flanges for this lip. And I can get it glued together good, glue my pieces in there, glue my bulkheads in real good. I think that's what I'm going to do. And I won't have a seam on my leading edge. So now, that'll go right there. Oh. That's good. I got to move these. Start over. beautiful. It fits like a glove. I just love it when a plan comes together. You know what I mean? You know what I mean there, Vern? Now, I need to cut this. I think we might as well just go straight across with it, huh? That'll be alright with you guys? Okay, that's beautiful. Now, let me see. See how that looks. That's beautiful.